Alright guys, in today's video, basically we're just gonna be skipping, some spots and here and there. So yeah, that's really how it went today, so stay tuned. There we go, guys. Fishing Bud Lake. Got the setup. Look at that. I have the juggle minnows too. Anything will work. Winds are not bad. 70. It's gonna get up to 75 and then drop down to 70 at 7. What? It's a different one. No, same color but different piece, because you know. Woo! It's an Ed rig, bro. I would use an Ed rig. Yeah. It's not. Yeah. I know. That's like the second time it's happened. Last time, when we went with Joey, right? We heard the gunshots.
Mike, you gotta make sure it's not hitting the thing in the back. It's hitting the thing in the back. See that little pack? See that little pocket? You can make sure it's not.
Oh, I just lost one. Just lost one. Right now. Yes. It was a dink though. Oh, he just missed it. Got him. Oh, no. He literally just came. Yeah, I got him. There we go. Holy. Yo,
I got it.
Oh my.
Bring it. Got it. Bring it. That's a 5-pounder. Spotted bass.
Not a bad one to start off the day. Nice 2-pounder right there. First fish of the day. Nice 2-pounder right here. Let's go. Come on. Look at that. Let's give it a release. Let's go, baby. I like you. You saw it. You lost it.
Why didn't you fast to the back?
Richie didn't believe me, bro. This little kid didn't believe me. No, Mikey showed me. Oh, I almost fell. Yeah, these fish are, first fish of the day. I think, just to think that there's a 4+ pound smallie in here and a 5+ pound large in here. It's insane. And I lost that 4+ smallie the other day.
When is yours fishing?
Like 6, yeah. 2021. History was made on this bank. You want to fish the docks first though?
Right here.
It's 12 feet. No, I lied. But it's like, yeah, it's like 5 feet right on the bank. Literally on. Yeah, I remember that. It was literally just like this. It's like the same. Except last time it was constant. It's a thing. This last time was worse.
Spinning around windy conditions.
With the gunshots in the background. I have one. Alright, first cast. I got one. Nice bush. That's what I like to see. All right, number 2. Here. No, I was literally on it last time, bro. We're like the same weight too. You only jump every cast. Oh man, I literally can't, like, I need a heavier weight, bro. Mikey, watch this. Ugh!
Molly?
No, Largy. Man, these fight so good.
This will work.
Yeah.
Are you just jigging it?
Number 3 of the day. Numero 3. Look at that. Beautiful bucket mouth right there. Let's go. I was going on lunker hunt right there.
I know in like a couple days we're gonna see Aiden on like the share lunker program.
You not know what share lunker is, bro? Huh?
I didn't fish and not know the share lunker.
I know. And I caught it. I like the gunshots in the background, bro. They look badass.
That's actually a gunshot?
Yes, those are
Not that
gunshots.
loud. 1, 2, 3, yeah.
Better! What's better? Went PMO, bro. Badass.
Feel the drag.
Look, I literally have a fish on, bro. Yes, bro. And it came up. Look, watch this, Mike. Watch this. You're gonna watch it. Watch this. It's another dink.
I'm caught up on you.
Are you actually? Scooter!
Right my leaf.
Buzz, man, you don't know to do this.
What are you doing?
Oh man, teeth on him. Look at that, number 4 of the day.
Yo, how are you working?
Yeah.
I'll probably do that when I get off.
Alright, we gotta think.
Jerry, you probably want that.
You think? Yeah.
Want me to go?
I'll make the opening with my bag. Oh. This is much easier, for a fact. Oh my. All right, you made it. Good spot. What? What?
I just get it. How much
It's really cold.
is it?
Yeah. Yeah, I got one. Hooked right in the eye. Yeah. No, I'm good. Oh, look how chunky he is. No. Biting on my thumb. And there was like some perch, or I don't know, something, or bluegills. Or like the second I brought this thing in, he was like right behind me. Look how fat he is though.
Kind of looks like
Oh man, asshole! Just got me soaked. No. Have fun over here, boss. Good work. All right, bro. I want to be catching 30 plus fish. All dings, 2 to 3 pounders. Actually, we're gonna see how deep it is. I don't know how to tell the depth. Okay, it's that much deep. Oh shoot! Biggin, boys! Biggin! Biggin! Oh my gosh! Unless it's snagged. Oh. Oh, it's a huge pickerel. Holy.
Dude, that's like a pipe.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. I just caught my personal best pickerel.
I got it all on video.
I was like, bro, if it was a bass, that would have been like a 5 plus, but that's actually such a.
Take the exact, a little bit bigger than the one that I caught at.
Oh. All right, personal best pickerel right here. Oh my gosh.
3.8.
3.2.
Beat it by 2 ounces.
3.2 right here. Actually crazy. Does this make it look huge? Wait. Go on my knees, baby. Just the juicing method. Just method. Boy release. Yo, this thing looks so much bigger than 3, bro.
I thought that was 4.
I know.
I think you should have put
It's so shallow. Let's go, boys. You're gonna, Mikey, bro, we're just gonna put.
Oh my goodness. Asshole, dude. Alright, bro, you can't have to put chatterbait in the group. Chatterbait, let's go.
Oh. Shallow as a beach.
Man, drop that shit, fool as fuck.